everyone, this is Dr. Retro from dr.retro.com, and today we're going to take a look at Quake 1 and Quake 2, the big box releases for the PC. As you can see, the logos are really similar. The left one has one spike and the right one has two spikes, indicating Quake 1 and Quake 2. They both have a sticker on the front saying that they scored something in the magazine, and really special, they both scored a 96. These are infamous FPS games, so I didn't expect any less. Let's check out the back of the boxes, and they're quite similar there again. Let's give you some closer look, and let's see what the Quake 1 has to say. Exceeding even their own legendary high standards, ID have created a unique masterwork of mesmeric brilliance. So some screenshots from the game. So this was the follow-up to Doom, another high level in graphics and gore, violence, etc. Quake 2, actually one of the first FPS games I played online, and I played it online a lot. Really loved this game, loved the gritty look, the dark, atmospheric setting, and of course the gameplay, which was quite fast. Quake 3 Arena, the next game in the series, is one of the fastest RPGs I've ever played. Not RPGs, FPSs of course. So let's pop them open. Quake 1 first. Has a cardboard thing inside to make sure the box is steady. And when we get the contents out, there's 3 different items. Here we go with the manual. It's probably in a lot of different languages. Yeah, so it's not really that much content, just the same thing over and over again in all kinds of different languages, which is usual with European games. So the story behind Quake: you get the phone call at 4 AM, blah blah blah. An enemy codenamed Quake is using his own slipgates to insert death squads inside our bases to kill, steal and kidnap. Then how to install the game, how you play the game, what to do in the game, some commands, how the HUD looks, and the guns, the ammo and power-ups, probably here, yeah, power-ups, armor packs, biosuit, ring of shadows, the bad guys, the different enemies you encounter in the game, environmental hazard, effects, multiplayer. This is where the game really hit off for me. Can't remember playing a lot of single player with this one. Oh, actually this is Quake 1, sorry. Didn't play this one online. Played this single player. Then readme text. Quite curious to see what's in here. Welcome to Quake, blah blah blah. File system requirements. This is old school PC manual, having all kinds of information on different sound blasters, sound cards, video cards, etc, etc. It's basically all a troubleshooting manual in, again, a lot of different languages. And then the last one is of course the game itself, Quake, and the back of the game. So that was Quake 1. Let's go to part 2. Really difficult box to get open without cracking this part. This is always cracked, by the way. Again, cardboard inlay. Let's get the contents out. This time only 2 items. The manual and the game. So let's get the game out of the way. The box, back of the box, and a disc. The manual. So the story. Oh, this is a nice manual with some high quality images, etc. It's better than the one in Quake 1. How to install. What the different functions of the menu are. Getting around. There you have your multiplayer information. Some information about the different maps. The weapons, really cool weapons, the game. I love playing with the grenade launcher and the rocket launcher. This was a game that the rocket launcher could be used to jump as well. Perform high jumps by timing your rockets at the right time. enemy units, customer support, and that was it. So those were the two big box versions for Quake on the PC. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you want to see more videos, check out the channel. Also like me on Facebook, facebook.com/drretromd, and go to the website for every update. It's www.dr-retro.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.